Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is a walkthrough or an unboxing of the Celtic Spirit Tarot by Nicola McIntosh. Now she's got quite a comprehensive, it's a beautiful box, by the way. If I can get it open. Like you see, it's like a proper little treasure trove. Then you've got the book and the cards go in here, so it's really lovely. Let's close that up. Gorgeous. And there is a reading cloth included with it. So it basically is a fresh take on the Rider-Waite tradition. It's imbued with the ancient Celtic understanding of nature and the importance of working with its elemental beings. There are 92 cards. So essentially, she's added in a suit for spirit. Earth, air, fire, water, spirit. So she's added one in for spirit. It's inspired by best-selling author and artist Nicola McIntosh's Celtic heritage and shamanic practice, and reminds us that everything is interconnected. Now, it's published by Rockpool. Let's have a little look at, pop that to one side. Surprisingly, actually, despite the fact there are 90 odd, I can actually fit them in my hand, and I would be able to shuffle them. And I've got quite small, awkward hands, as you know. Okay, we'll have a look at the actual designs in a minute, but essentially she says, welcome to the Celtic Spirit Tarot, a deck that bridges the ancient mysticism of the Celts with the transformative power of modern divination. Rooted in the rich lore of Celtic mythology and Druidic tradition, this deck is designed to guide you on a journey of self-discovery, spiritual awakening and profound inner. Then she says, in the midst of ancient Ireland, Scotland and Wales, and I'm sure she means England too, where sacred groves, stone circles, and enchanted glens whispered secrets of the other world, the Celts perceived a deep interconnectedness between the physical and the spiritual realms. Celtic Spirit Tarot captures that timeless energy, infusing every card with the vibrancy of nature, the wisdom of the ancients, and the subtle power of the unseen. You'll see in a minute when I show you the deck. It reinterprets the traditional tarot structure by introducing a dedicated spirit suit, an element that illuminates the divine spark within us all and invites us to explore higher states of consciousness. So that's essentially the birth of the concept of this deck. And she's got some rune symbols there. You've got how to use them, tarot spreads, and then the major arcana. With each of them, you've got the card, the keywords for the uprights and the keywords for the reversed. And also we've got some imagery explanation. So you've got the druid carries the cauldron, a bowline and a wand, and stands near a stone with an infinity symbol on it, meaning he carries within the knowledge of the mysteries of the 5 elements in the universe. There we go. All illustrated. So that's the book. And there's a bit on the author there. Okay, so let's take a look at the cards. They have this gorgeous green gilding, stunning. And then you've got each of the backs are the same as that. So let's have a look. So we've got the Fool taking the leap. Make sure you get to see these. I can't do anything about the shadow on the cloth, unfortunately, because, well, I can't. I could do, but I've got a tremendous amount of decks to get through, so I'm basically the green man. Now, if I go too quickly, you can slow the speed down on the settings. So you go into, because this is on YouTube, you just go to the settings and slow me right down. You can kill the volume if you just want to see it without listening to me. Or you can speed it up, I think, as well. The wonders of modern science. Okay. I'm just going to speed it up slightly. There have been no major changes there. Then you've got the stone. So this is Pentacles, as we would know it in the Rider-Waite. I keep saying radiant tonight, but I don't mean it. Same, very similar imagery. So she's using the traditional imagery, and obviously, you know, making it relevant to. So we've got Page, Knight, Queen and King. Then on to Swords. Oh yeah, and around we go. It's amazing, isn't it? So the reverse of the 8. Lovely gentle deck. And all the names on it. So then we've gone to the wands. I missed one then, didn't I? 4, I felt it then. Conflict. So it'll be very interesting to see how she envisages the so this is the cups or cauldrons, isn't it? Beautiful. As I said, look, if you want to adjust the speed, then please do so. I'm actually going to take a really good look at these after I've gone through this. I keep knocking the table. So this is the spirit. So this is the perception of the spirit suit. So this is the divine, isn't it? There you go. So there you have them. Now, as I said, they're obviously not very, very thick card because you wouldn't be able to get all of them in your hand, but they are solid. This is a good quality card. Oops. There's nothing, I don't know how it would, with some of you do the rifle shuffle, don't you? So that may make it slightly creased very quickly, but it's absolutely beautiful. For those of us that use the overhand, we would be able to keep it going for quite some time. So it would last a little bit, do some service. If that makes sense to you, if you know what I'm waffling on about here. Okay, so that is the Celtic Spirit Tarot by Nicola McIntosh. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye. And I forgot to show you, so I've just popped this back on again. Here's the cloth that comes with it. So we've actually, it makes sense, we've got this beautiful cloth included with it that is the Celtic cross. It's a gorgeous little silk. Pop it on the table and lay your cards. The Celtic cross, I forgot to say that, so I'm adding that onto the video. Okay, that's it. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.